Okay, the first one that you missed is number 7. So in cell E7, right here, I see a number, but I don't see a formula. So the formula is equals B7 times D7, and then plus the overtime hours, which are in cell C7, so plus C7 times the hourly rate of D7 and times 1.5. So they pretty much, in what I have highlighted in blue, have told you what the formula is. So I would type equals, and then I'm going to be multiplying the regular hours of 40 times the rate plus the overtime hours, which are 5, and I'm going to click in the cell C7, times the rate, which is D7, and then times 1.5. And then you get the $570. But you have a formula. So it's the regular hours times the rate plus the overtime hours times the rate times time and a half, because you get more pay for working overtime. And then you would need to fill that down. The next thing you missed was changing the fill color of cells E8. So I'm going to click on cell E8 and E10. So I'm going to hold the control key down so I can select non-adjacent cells. So E10, G8, G10. Okay, and they want the fill color to be 5th column, 2nd row of the themes colored palette. So for 5th column, 2nd row, which is the blue accent 1 lighter 80%, and click on that. And it changes those two, or 4 cells. Hold the control key down to select cells that are adjacent from each other. And then the final thing that you missed is that average formula, which I noticed when we were doing the other one. And that's right here. There's no formula in there. It should be equals average. And I'm assuming you're averaging their salary since that's where they put it. And you don't need to put the right parentheses because it'll put it for you when you hit enter. And you get the same amount, but the formula, the whole point of doing a spreadsheet is that it does the calculating for you. You don't need to calculate it separately and put the answers in there. It calculates for you.